Hi everyone, I'm Garrett from Zip Scanners, where we make scanning easy. Today I'm going to unbox the new 500 channel analog only Uniden SR30C. The SR30C will replace the discontinued BC75XLT. I'll go into a little more detail in my forthcoming SR30C introduction, but essentially Uniden took the BC75XLT, added 200 channels, introduced a floor price, and gave the overall design a natural looking facelift. Alright, so Uniden stayed true to the SDS 100, SDS 200 box design. Who needs originality when you can have consistency at a fraction of the cost? That's sort of the thesis statement of the SR30C. I don't exactly know what I mean by that, but I mean it. Okay, so let me just dig in here. So as included is some literature, the English manual and the French manual. So this is what it is. It's a small, lightweight analog scanner, nothing less, nothing more. And there's a USB cable for charging and programming. And here is the stock antenna. It's a BNC connection. Tough to get on. And here is the wrist strap that is included with every Uniden handheld. I'm not sure how many people actually use that. I don't know if anyone does. If you're quote-unquote anyone, let me know in the comments. Hope you enjoyed this SR30C unboxing video. Hit the like if you like, and please subscribe to learn more. I'm Garrett from Zip Scanners, where we make scanning easy. We're open 7 days a week. You can call us at 737-777-9876 with free shipping, no taxes, and lifetime technical support from experts like me. Thanks.